We are going to talk about graphene ceramic coating, more specifically the advanced graphene ceramic coating. Now, you're probably going to ask, what is the difference between the regular and the advanced graphene ceramic coating? Now, one of the main differences you're gonna see between our ceramic coatings is the raw active ingredient that is inside the bottle, or the thickness of the film that goes down onto your car. So in the graphene ceramic spray coating, you have 7.5% of the raw active ingredient, moving to the regular graphene ceramic coating that has 30% of the raw active ingredient, and then jumping up to the advanced formula, the advanced graphene ceramic coating, you have 45% of the raw active ingredient. The 45% in the advanced graphene ceramic coating is very thick, okay? Like a ream of paper, like you could say, okay? This is like a visual analogy here. Then you get into the graphene ceramic coating and it's a little bit less thick, and then the graphene ceramic spray coating, which is less thick. Now, what you have to understand is the durability amongst all of these graphene ceramic coatings is the same, okay? But the longevity is different, okay? They're going to wear away at the same rate, which is the durability, but the longevity is different because of how thick the film is on your car. The graphene ceramic spray coating, yes, it is a thinner layer and you need to apply it more often, but the great thing about the graphene ceramic spray coating is it's extremely easy to use. Any beginner, anybody in the world can apply graphene ceramic spray coating. Now, jumping up to the 45% of the advanced graphene ceramic coating, it's gonna be much more tacky and a little bit harder to use when you're applying it to a car or removing it to a car. Now, the reason for that is because of the extra loading level that is inside that formula, which is a thicker layer that goes onto your vehicle. Now, because this is the same active ingredient as before, just a thicker loading level, you are still going to get the amazing slide angle and bead angle that you get before, aka the dynamic hydrophobic properties, and also a longer durability of the coating being on your car. Now, not only does the advanced graphene ceramic coating have the amazing hydrophobic properties that all of our graphene ceramic coatings have, but it also has the patented UV tracer that is in all of our ceramic coatings. Check this out. Now, as you can see, the coating is clear when normal light is on it, but once UV light hits it like this, boom, it glows bright blue. So what that means is, as you apply this to your surface, you can see exactly where it is going on your vehicle by using a UV light. Another key feature to the advanced graphene ceramic coating is it can be applied on top of any of our graphene ceramic coating products.
All right.
Or it can also be applied on top of any ceramic product. Adams Polishes is continually trying to push the envelope in paint protection. That is why we developed Adams Polish's advanced graphene ceramic coating, the most robust hydrophobic graphene protection for your vehicle.